crazy. Can I open a window? No, the house is not on fire. It's just that crazy barefoot woman. Ah. Upsy daisy, guys. Ah. Okay. Goodness gracious. Come on, I wish my... Oh my, there's so now structure all over there. Ah! Well, I bet you never saw this on TV. Woo! Okay. Alright, guys. There's that. And then we gotta do this a moment. Until we get some of this. There you go. Sensitive smoke alarm. Woohoo! The smoke alarm is like way up there. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll deal with it for a minute. If I have to yank the battery out, I might have to do that. I know. Hold on. I know what I'll do. I bet it's just wrong. There we go. That should help. Hey. Woo! Look, I just love it. I just opened up the door to the other. Eventually it'll go back. Okay. See, I had a feeling, but you never know. Well, they're pretty good roasted on there. Now I could have put this in the oven. Actually roasted them in the oven on the that's fun! You get to see the smoke alarm taking crazy. Come on, stop that! Here, what if I do this? See if that helps any. I'm sorry, everybody. I try not to have that do, but I told my husband, I said, we've got a smoke alarm. Literally, it is where I'm standing 5 feet. It's like 14 feet above my head. And it's just sensitive. Woo! Come on now. Cooperate. And no more. This is the first for the barefoot country good. Well, not the first time, but first time for y'all to hear it. Woo! One more. Let's see if I can open this up. Come on, this thing. Woo! Okay. I'm trying to get this thing to behave. throwing everything out the garage. Goodness. All right. Come on, Sam, do your job. All right. So I got these guys here. I'm so sorry, everybody. So sorry. It happens. It even happened when my mom used to cook in the country. All right. Guess I'm gonna grab a dish or something. There we go. This will do. All I can say is good thing my husband's not home yet. He'd be like, "Did you turn the smoke alarm off? I mean the vent fan on?" I go, "Yeah, I turned it on." I said, "Smoke alarm should touch you." Okay, so now you can see. Now you can see the golden brown part on it from the roasting. Now these are going to go in the food processor. I hope you can hear me okay. Oh my God, it's a comedy show. It's like having fun with the barefoot cook. And I need to get, I'll use this. So because this is, it can get kind of messy. I like to use the alright, I had trouble with this last time. Oh, there it is. No. There we go. Where's my plunger? There it is. So when I go to put them in the food processor, it won't splash back up at me. It stopped. I'm sorry to put your ears through that. How do you think I feel? I'm right here. I'm so sorry. Anyway, yeah, the skillet is like my favorite way to do it, but if I don't have the vent on this stove on before I even heat up the oil, and I kind of got delayed with that. So, and the lemon juice for this is, what's that? Lemon juice. Okay. Knock that stuff down. Keep forgetting how much lemon juice there is. Tablespoon. Actually, it's not lemon juice, it's lime. You can use lemon if you don't like lime, but I use lime. Sometimes I'll use lime and lemon, like, you know, conversely. Now, that was dumb. Put it in the fridge. There you go. There's the lime. Alright. Now it's going to make sure I can get them through that chute. I have to cut them in half, some of them. Like this one. And that one's going to be cut in half. And they're still kind of hot, so I don't want to, you know, burn myself. Cutting them all in half's not a bad idea, because it goes down the chute and helps them, you know, chop up a lot easier. So, there it goes. Now my oven's saying, "Hey, you put something hot in here." I'm just like, "Yeah." And I sure did. And this way I can pick the pieces up with the tongs to put them in there. Because I need olive oil on there. I don't get oil in hand. Is that all of them? So, yeah, these smell wonderful, by the way. Okay, so we're going to put a few in into the food processor or the blender, whichever you like to do. I'll put all the little ones in first, so that way they'll chop up fast and be done. We don't want these mushy because when they're mushy, that means you actually kind of burnt the meat inside. So then put that in there. We're going to pulse it. That's not pulse, you silly girl. That's pulse. So that's part of them. And the rest. Now I don't know what you all like to put your salsa on top of. I love the green salsa, the Salsa Verde. I love it on chicken. Also like to add it to ham. Dishes that have ham. It's even good on steak. Just wherever your taste buds are at. And that's what you use it for.